Welcome to Hunter Steel UAE, engineering strength delivering excellence. Strategically located in the United Arab Emirates, Hunter Steel operates from its advanced manufacturing facility at Al Layan DIC, Dubai, with additional storage and operational facilities in multiple Emirates. Our operations follow ISO certified systems, ICV and UAE regulatory approvals, ensuring reliability, precision. Our state-of-the-art production facility is equipped with advanced fabrication machinery, skilled engineering teams, and strict quality control systems. From raw steel to finished product, every stage is executed with precision and accountability. Hunter Steel UAE operates through 3 specialized divisions: piping products, container conversion and modular, and welding habitat, delivering integrated engineering solutions across multiple sectors. Our Piping Products division supplies a comprehensive range of carbon steel and stainless steel pipes, flanges, fittings, and specialty components. Serving oil and gas, infrastructure, and industrial sectors, we ensure quality assurance, traceability, and timely delivery. Hunter Steel has officially initiated the API monogram certification process for API 6A, API 5CT, and API 5B. With applications submitted and audits in progress, we are advancing our manufacturing of 6A flanges, 5CT pup joints and couplings, and 5BO CTG threading. This milestone reinforces our commitment to global standards, precision manufacturing, and trusted performance in the oil and gas industry. The Container Conversion and Modular Division transforms standard shipping containers into engineered, functional, and purpose-built spaces. From site offices and control rooms to modular buildings and customized units, we deliver turnkey solutions supported by in-house design, 3D renders, and project visualization. At Hunter Steel, safety comes first. Our positive pressure welding habitats create a fully controlled safe zone inside Zone 1 and Zone 2 hazardous areas. Constant positive pressure keeps combustible gases out, ensuring ignition sources remain completely isolated. With real-time gas detection, automatic emergency shutdown, and fire retardant containment, our habitats follow a triple-layer safety system: detect, isolate, and contain. In high-risk environments, there's no room for error. Hunter Steel welding habitats don't just protect the weld, they protect the people behind it. Hunter Steel UAE, strength in steel, excellence in engineering. Your trusted partner for piping, modular, and habitat solutions. Contact us today to build your next project with confidence.